Hi, it's Ted from Think Tank Photo. You know, more and more photographers are turning to rollers to transport their heavy camera gear. Whether it's to a local gig or on an airplane, it's essential to get the weight off your shoulders and onto wheels. However, when faced with rough terrain or stairs, it becomes necessary to carry the roller, which can be heavy and cumbersome. But with the Airport Essentials rolling backpack, you can simply deploy the shoulder straps and carry it on your back. The Essentials features a light and comfortable harness system that's contoured to your body so it transfers the weight onto both shoulders. The bag is sized to meet both international and U.S. domestic airline carry-on requirements, but we recommend you always check with your airline before you travel. As you can see, the Airport Essentials is smaller than our other rolling backpacks, the Airport Takeoff and the Streetwalker. But don't let the size fool you, the interior is maximized to fit pro camera gear. Let's take a look inside. The customizable divider system makes it easy to accommodate a wide range of gear, including 2 DSLR or mirrorless bodies, a trifecta of f2.8 lenses, a drone, or a couple flashes. The front flap also features 2 large zippered mesh pockets for ancillary items such as red whips, lens caps, batteries, etc. On the front, there's a deep organizer pocket for personal gear or organization, plus you can fit a 15-inch laptop in a dedicated padded sleeve. There are robust grab handles on 3 sides for easy lifting and a stretch pocket for a water bottle or tripod carry with 2 included straps. For added security, there are 2 locking YKK RC fuse zippers and an included cable and lock system so you can attach the bag to an immovable object to deter thieves. We constructed the Airport Essentials with ballistic nylon and a Hypalong back panel for abrasion resistance. All materials are coated with DWR for weather protection, and of course there's an included rain cover for heavy downpours. The roller features our custom designed 80mm wheels with sealed bearings for smooth, quiet rolling. Plus, the telescoping handle has rubberized touch points and is reinforced for added durability. Now the trolley handle, wheels, wheel housing, and rubber feet are all user replaceable to keep your bag rolling for many years to come. But if you should ever have a problem with any of them, contact our awesome customer service team and they'll send you replacement parts for free. When the going gets rough, the Airport Essentials rolling backpack will go where other rollers can't. Roll smoothly through the airport, then deploy the backpack straps to carry it over rough terrain. And rest assured that your gear will stay with you and be protected the whole way. Thanks for watching.